All right, the last problem is Cramer's rule, solving a linear system. And, just learned this recently, so pretty new yet. But you have to find the coefficient matrix first, which involves the coefficients of the x and y. And then you're going to use the constants in the replacement method to find the x and y separately. And it's a little complicated, but we're only doing two variables, so it's not super complicated. Okay. So the coefficient matrix, we always kind of call it A. So my A is going to be the numbers from the coefficients. It's going to be the 6, the -2, the -3, and the 5. Those are right from the x's and y's right there. Okay. So when I do my determinant, it's 6 times 5, and then I do the -3 times -2. Okay, so here's what we get. We have 6 times 5 is 30, and we subtract the 6, because it's -3 times -2 is +6, and we now have 24. So that's now my A determinant, my coefficient matrix. Okay? All right, now to find x and y. To find the x, we will, this is where we have to do the replacement method. We have to put in the constants for the x coefficients in the matrix. So let me show you how that works. So it's going to be -16 and the 16 here. And then we use the y coefficients, -2 and the 5. And we divide them by the 24, which we found earlier with the coefficient matrix. So that's how you find the x. So that's not, bad setup. All right, and the y is sort of the same thing, but now watch what we do for the y again. I'm still dividing by the 24, which I found above. But now since I'm finding y, I have to put these constants in where the y coefficients are. Okay, so I have 6 and the -3 from the x, but the y's become -16 and +16. And now I can just find the determinants of the numerators, and I'm all set. All right, so 6 times -15, that's going to be -80. So here we go. This would be -80. Again, folks, it's going to be, this stuff, and then, these guys, right? So I'm just going to get right to it here. So it's -80 and minus -32 divided by 24. The y is going to be equal to 6 times 16. Oh boy, 96. Yeah, 96. 96 minus +48 divided by 24. So now over here, I'm adding these. Okay, so that's going to become, what's that going to become? 48. Yeah, -48 divided by 2. That's my x. My y is going to be equal to 48 divided by 24. And don't you know it? The x equals 24. -2. My y equals 2. And that's how you do Cramer's rule. All right, folks, good luck. We'll see you in the test tomorrow.